We are a trucking business operating since 2005. Started with 3 trucks together with my father, and today we've got a fleet of 28 trucks. My brothers joined in straight after school. My sister has joined me up last year. She's taking care of my accounts. And yes, Dad's still here doing the finances if I need it. Mum's usually at home cooking us a feed. And yeah, all my brothers, my sister, they're with me in the business. I think EROAD has given me the facility to operate my business efficiently. It's taken away if there's any queries or anything from the customer. This is easily sorted by EROAD. It is a system that I use daily, and I probably log in from 100 times a day just to check up on my units. And I think without EROAD, it would have been really difficult to run this business. I actually got offered the new generation in my van, and the use of it was obviously recognized by myself. Just that sitting on your dash telling you the speed, sharp cornering, or brake carefully, is just to alert the driver, and I thought it was amazing. What we like about us is the event activity. You can see every second what your driver is up to in their truck. The event activity is used for our charging out to the clients as well, because we are only an hourly rate. We only operate with an hourly rate, so it's a good evidence to have to what we are doing while we are out on the road. The new EROAD dashboard is everything that I want. It's got everything from the top drivers to what trucks do for core service. It's just one page for everything. We've had a driver, a very good driver, punctual driver. He knows what he's doing, but only complaints we were getting and it was his driving and speeding the most. So to that driver I said, you're getting into eHub 2 and on your dash every time you speed, it'll tell you you're speeding, go down. It's like Ayna sitting there telling you to slow down. So you have to slow down. Straight after the Generation 2 eHub 2 on his cab, I've just seen his complaints to none now, and he's not speeding. So obviously that in-cab sitting device there has been a lot benefit to the company. Those trucks there, they're fully branded in my brand, you know, and if a driver chooses to obviously affect that branding by speeding is obviously a huge thing for us. There's potential customers out on the road. There are also public out on the road, and my main goal is I'm a family person. I've got my whole family in this business, and at the end of the day I want my employees to go back to their family, and I will take any precaution, any device to make sure that happens. And like I said, EROAD has been more than beneficial to us.